Value is given, taught, felt, realized by somebody who knows what an opportunity means, who knows what that thing could mean. Good evening, everyone. My team and I strongly stand for the fact that which is obtained easily is not always valued too lightly. Like my highly respected and worthy opponent proposed, that our parents have taken a lot of pain to bring us up and we obtained it easily. We stick to the fact that we obtained it easily, but we value it. Summarizing what my teammate spoke, about how she beautifully described how happy she is with her family, how much godly she values them. They were given to her easily, but she values them much more precious than her life, than her education, than her career, than her choices. They are her priority. They are her value. In case of emergency, in case of a stroke of luck, you still get everything as a miracle. You still tend to value it a lot. Valuing anything in your life, anything, is largely influenced by your need and your priorities. I stress by your want, by your need, by your priorities, and not by the pace or the ease at which you get them. Thank you.